So explain the sales CRM data model. So the sales CRM data model follows the key parameters or generally follows a pattern as follows. Run campaigns, which could be either via email, magazine, advertisements or activities. Generate leads, which can be either manual or automated. Assign leads to sales reps so that they can work on them. Follow up with your customers via phone, email or meetings. Qualify leads and convert them into prospects. Categorize them based on account, contacts and opportunity. Follow up with customers and finalize the deal. It can either be won or lost. Now, what are leads in Salesforce? A potential customer is termed as a lead in Salesforce. Any individual or a company that shows interest towards our product or services can be coined as a lead. Leads are usually generated via existing customers, referrals through web, online advertisements, TV advertisements and campaigns. So if you are an ice cream vendor, anyone who loves ice cream would be a potential lead for your company. Now, what are products? Products are actual items that you sell to customers. Now, if you are an ice cream vendor, the different types of ice creams you'll be selling would be your products. What is a standard price book in Salesforce? So a master list of all your products along with their default prices is the standard price book. Whenever a product is created in the system, an entry is created with the standard price book. What is a quote in Salesforce? A formal proposal of products that you'll be offering or selling to your customer is termed as quote in Salesforce. What is an opportunity in Salesforce? Any past or pending sales for an account in Salesforce are termed opportunities. They play a major role in businesses as they are used to work on sales or track potential sales. What is a campaign in Salesforce? A Salesforce campaign is a group of leads and contacts exposed to specific marketing communications. It stores essential performance metrics and means salespeople can quickly see the customers and prospects that received marketing activity. What are person accounts? So if enabled, there are two types of accounts, business and person. A person account stores information about individuals by combining certain account and contact fields into a single record. Person accounts come into picture when we want to differentiate organizations and individuals, but also need capabilities to do business with the consumer, that is B2C relationship. So alongside B2B, person accounts allow dealing with B2C as well. What is a case in Salesforce? Any kind of feedback, issue, concern, or question raised by the customer is called a case in Salesforce. Support agents take up cases assigned to them and try to resolve them at the earliest to close cases. What is web to lead in Salesforce? A potential customer can come up from any channel. It could be via phone, marketing campaign, advertisements, or websites. Now, Salesforce provides a concept that is called web to lead, which automates capturing leads in the system via websites. And this is a built-in functionality that comes with Salesforce and can be leveraged and configured whenever needed. What are opportunity splits in Salesforce? Now, opportunity splits allow you to allocate credits to multiple team members for an opportunity. For example, there are two members working on an opportunity, and if you want to split credits of the opportunity if it is successfully closed, we can use opportunity splits to split or distribute the credits between the team members.